everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Love for Nature. In this video, I am going to tell about the plants that a beginner should have in their garden. The plants which I am going to show, few are flowering plants and few are show plants. Firstly, I have Vinca plant. In English we call it Periwinkle and in Hindi we call it Sadabahar. They are flowering plant. They give flower almost all months. You can grow this plant by its cutting and as well as from its seeds. Now next I have money plant. You can grow this plant in water and as well as in soil. NASA studied this plant and declared that it is one of the best plant that helps in cleaning the air pollution, and its leaves also helps in filtering the air. Now next plant is aloe vera plant. It is very beneficial plant. You will get to know once you bring this to your house. You can grow aloe vera plant with the help of these small pups. Portulaca plant. They give flower during summer seasons. You can grow this plant in clay pot or plastic pot. No matter, just remember to maintain your plant properly. It is very easy to grow. You can grow this plant from its small cuttings. Next is Tulsi plant or holy basil. You can grow this plant from its cuttings or from their seeds. It is very beneficial plant. Their leaves are very useful. Last I have spider plant. Many people call it ribbon plant because of its leaves. You can grow this plant from its runners. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video related with plants, and thank you so much for watching my video.